Hey guys, what's going on today? We got another cleanup job for the local seal coating company. Made a mess. It got up here on this wood. Really bad on the house there. It's painted stone. It's on the door pretty good. Ah, man. And we got up on the AC unit. Bottom of these deck panels here. We got up on this concrete. Definitely got my work cut out for me at this one. Also got out here on this concrete. You can even see where it pooled up here in the curb drain. It goes down to about right here. Time to get out the solvents. This one's definitely going to take a lot. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're all done here. Cleaned up really good. Okay. Down here, it's just some dirty water where it pooled up. We can't do nothing about. I tried and tried and tried to broom that stuff out of there. The whole problem is water has nowhere to go back here, so well, at least it's not asphalt sealer. But yeah, that was my biggest problem. I actually went and grabbed a can of spray paint, white spray paint, and just kind of went over the top layer here once I knocked it all off, just to, it was starting to yellow, and figured give them a little bit of a better look. And now they'll come in and actually reseal it. As you can see, once it rains, once they seal it, it just washes away. Looks like it all puddled up down in there. It's probably all dead, but we did our job. You guys need any kind of stain removal, blacktop sealer cleanup, pressure washing, give us a call. Book us online, windycitysteam.com.